Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make the famous Disney's Grand Floridian chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are chocolate chip cookie perfection, and they are so easy to make right at home. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed and have turned on notifications so you won't miss any delicious recipes. Also, check the description below for the full written recipe as well as a link to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse where you can easily print it. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 10 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. First, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt in a mixing bowl, then set that aside. Use a stand mixer or hand beaters to cream the butter, brown sugar, and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs one at a time, mixing in between. Then mix in the vanilla extract. Combine the flour mixture and the butter mixture. And finally, stir in the chocolate chips. Use a 2-tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop the dough onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Bake the cookies at 330 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Once you remove the cookies, allow them to rest on the baking sheet for 1 minute, then transfer them to a cooling rack. I hope you enjoy making these cookies as much as I do. It's a fun way to bring a little Disney magic home. If you liked this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. You can also visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for Disney tips and tricks and more delicious recipes. See you next time!